Hello everyone. Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. 1 minute time frame. On daily basis we are analyzing how calls are generating and how it performing in live market. Today March 27th Monday market after 10:30 sell call generated, so red color candle opened. That open point is the entry point. Below our target 1 and 2, above line is the stop loss line. Daily basis in 1 minute time frame we are analyzing how calls are generating in this chart. In all script, in all stock, we can say the signal will come. So if you want to subscribe for this chart means just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the plan detail also. Today after 10:35 at 39,519 sell call generated, and the first target is 39,421, 98 point first target range. In 10 minutes of market sell call generator, the target range 39,421 is breakout and 100 point movement in 10 minutes of sell call generator. Like this today call generated and breakout the target. For chart subscription detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.